Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll explore how to make money online for free, especially geared towards beginners. I'm your friend Mike, and today we'll walk you through practical steps you can take today to make money online. I understand the challenges of wanting financial independence. Many of us face common pain points like lack of resources, limited experience, and skepticism about online opportunities. But fear not, I've been there too, and I'm here to guide you through. Method 1: Freelancing. Let's start with freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with people looking for services you can offer. Pro tip: showcase your skills by creating a compelling profile and start with smaller projects to build your reputation. Method 2: Online surveys and reviews. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. Completing surveys during your free time can add up over the month. Tip: be consistent and watch the earnings grow. Method 3: Content creation. Content creation is another avenue. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or video creation, platforms like Medium, Canva, and YouTube offer opportunities. Numbers speak louder than words. Consistent content can attract thousands of views, leading to potential earnings through ads or sponsorships. Method 4: Remote tutoring. For those with academic strengths, platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com provide opportunities for online tutoring. Impact value: tutors can earn $20 to $30 per hour. Pro tip: don't rely on a single method. Explore multiple avenues to maximize your earnings and mitigate risks. Visit the link in the description for secret resources for earning money online in no time. Stay organized, set realistic goals, and be patient. Building an online presence takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, quality over quantity always wins. Now, before we wrap up, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And here's a reminder to visit the link in the description for additional resources. Thank you for joining me today. Making money online for free is achievable, especially for beginners. Remember, it's a journey, so take it step by step. Visit the links in the description, and until next time, happy earning!